It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Tuesday, May 9th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather warm, humid, a few scattered showers around. That's the formula for a while as a summer-like pattern sets in. Here's the upper air look this morning. And again, the stronger winds aloft are now north of Alabama. And it's just beginning to look a lot like summertime. Just maybe the tornado season is done. We can stick a fork in it. Can't say that for sure, but we see no sign of any organized severe storms here for the next 7 to 10 days. And the radar this morning showing a weakening band of showers moving into the Tennessee Valley. Those originated last night as strong storms over parts of Missouri and Kentucky, and also a few scattered showers over the southwestern corner of the state, but most of Alabama is dry. Temperatures are mostly in the upper 60s and low 70s to start the day. We've got 71 for Birmingham and Mobile, 70 in Dothan and Huntsville, 68 for Montgomery. And we'll be up in the mid-80s in most spots today. The average high, by the way, is 80 on this date for Birmingham. Watch warning, man, pretty quiet morning across the country, but some big storms could fire later today. Out across the heartland, we have severe weather risk over Kansas and some of the adjacent states, a marginal risk over the western Gulf Coast, and a risk of severe storms over parts of the Carolinas up toward the mouth of Chesapeake Bay. This is tomorrow, a chance of severe storms over the western high plains in pretty much the same zone on day 3, which is Thursday. Got a risk out there across the middle of the United States, the Great Plains. And this is kind of the core of their tornado season. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. The really big numbers across parts of Texas. In Alabama, the amount should be under 1 inch. And every day, the rain distribution will be very uneven. It might rain on your side of town, but not the other side. The hit and miss, random, scattered nature of the showers and storms, that's going to stay in place for a while. So model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 4. And again, there's a broad ridge across the center of the United States. And again, we've got moist air in place. And these maps, again, every day you'll probably see green on here. And these big synoptic scale maps, that's not especially helpful. So let's go to the high-resolution HER. This is valid this evening at 6 o'clock. And you can see the difference. The HER says, that's not going to rain. And the truth is probably somewhere in between. Even these high-resolution, convection-allowing 3-kilometer models struggle with summer convection here. And it's one of the greatest forecast challenges we have. Every day between now and September, we know it's going to rain somewhere, but we don't exactly know when and where, and that's not very helpful to you. I don't know. Your app doesn't know. These models don't know. We might have a broad idea of where the best initiation potential would be in terms of storms, but again, we're going to mention a few scattered showers and storms later today, but obviously there's not going to be that many. Mix of sun and clouds with mid-80s today, and that's going to be the formula for a while. This is tomorrow. Looks relatively dry. Highs well up in the 80s. And this is Thursday, and this is Friday, and obviously we'll mention scattered, random showers and storms. The better chance of seeing one would be during the peak of the daytime heating process during the afternoon and evening hours, but there might be a late night or morning shower if there's any boundary around. And again, highs hold in the 80s. And that's the idea for the weekend, although the weekend looks pretty dry with the ridge strengthening. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. Temperatures pretty close to 90. This will be the hottest weekend so far this year. Pretty decent amount of sun. Showers will likely be few and far between. And Monday, scattered showers mainly for the northern third of the state. And this is a week from today. This is Tuesday, May the 16th, troughing north and west of the state. And it's the same old story. Warm, humid, the chance of a few scattered showers and storms. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, the 18th, and evidence there could be a pretty good trough over the eastern states, and if this verifies, the humidity values might be a bit lower, temperatures might be down a little bit toward the end of next week. We'll see. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean a little over 2 inches, that green line, that's the mean of the ensemble members between now and the 24th of May. And temperatures will likely stay above average for a while. It's the National Blend of Models. This is for Birmingham. Of course, your number could vary. And we do note that 92 on Sunday. That would be the hottest day so far this year, if that verifies. However, we do note the 8 to 14 day guidance here. This is for May 16th through May 22nd, showing temperatures might be a little below average if this forecast works out. We'll see. Pretty nice sunset last night. It was along the Gulf Coast down at Seagrove Beach. Kind of a watercolor sky. And up this way, had a pretty good sunset. Summer sunsets can be very nice. Typically, we have scattered clouds around, giving the sky some texture. It was taken over Logan Martin Lake last night. But looking awfully good. And for those folks that are beach-bound, weather down there looks just fine. And sure, there's always the chance of a shower from time to time. But we see no really big organized rain mass for the Gulf Coast for the next 7 to 10 days. And the hurricane season does not start until June 1st. So there you go. Hey, we have notes on the blog, AlabamaWX.com. If you're new here, if you're a noob, we do these updates live. We simulcast them. We're live on Facebook and YouTube. In the morning about 5:15, the afternoon about 2:45. And we know that most of you watch later, which is cool. Let's see, travel schedule. Today I'll be at Mount Olive Elementary School up in North Jefferson County, north of Birmingham. And then after that, headed down to Tuscaloosa to the Rise Center. That's an amazing place if you've never been before. Looking forward to spending some time there. Let's see, tomorrow, headed down to Lee Scott Academy in Auburn. Always enjoy visiting my friends there. And then Thursday, we got a homeschool group at the library in Vestavia. Friday, Autauga County, Pine Level Elementary School. Our friends down there had a rough ride early this year with tornadoes, of course. And then Saturday, it's a book signing. We're going to be in Odenville at one of the coffee shops there from 9 until noon. And don't have, I want to say it's called something 242, but it's a good-looking coffee shop, and we love to help small businesses, and we are going to have a lot of fun there. We love to take pictures, all the books, shirts, weather dweeb stuff, it'll be there. So come see us in Odenville in St. Clair County Saturday from 9 until noon. I'll post details over on the social platforms again later today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.